Welcome to Word of the Day. Let's expand our vocabulary together. Today's word is fudge. It means a soft, rich candy. To present or deal with something in a vague or dishonest way to avoid a clear outcome. Here are two examples using this word. She made a delicious batch of chocolate walnut fudge for the holiday party. The politician tried to fudge the numbers to make the economic report look better. Some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word better. Synonyms are equivocate, misrepresent, hedge. Antonyms are clarify, specify, elucidate. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more daily vocabulary words.